Workshop tonight on Mate.
This weather report brought to you by the new Brough and Hurley Agriculture.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A fresh southeasterly wind surge is firing off showers and storms as it marches northward up the coast. Central Queensland's currently hosting most of the action, but the heavier stuff should spread right through the tropics by tomorrow afternoon. 24-hour rainfalls. Carnarvon Station had an impressive 81 millimetres overnight, 42 mils at Billawheeler, Claremont 34 mils and Emerald 17. Rockhampton made it to an ugly 38 degrees today after a sultry start, and most other stations followed suit. Humidity is still pretty decent for an inland city. You can see on the satellite loop that we're getting a lot of activity now over the Northern Territory. That's where the low that was in the Gulf that never became a cyclone has now moved, and to its east you've got a lot of monsoonal flow. Big showers and storms getting going all over the tropics, but also around the east coast there, ahead of a cool southeasterly change that's been moving northward. Let's have a look at today's chart now. Firstly, we've got that high in the Tasman Sea that's pushing up that fresh southeasterly. You can see this isobar here, that's where it ends. There should be a little coastal trough there, right through about Gladstone, north of which we're getting more activity at the moment. There's an inland trough also, and there's that low that was supposed to be a cyclone and never was, now over the central Northern Territory, and a monsoon across North Queensland. On tomorrow's chart, the monsoon becomes more active as this southeasterly surge pushes into it, producing a lot of up motion right through tropical Queensland, lots of heavy rain. Then on the outlook chart, we can see as the southeasterly continues to progress northward, it'll keep raining in the tropics while clearing up in the southeast and getting cooler. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, we've got 20 to 25 knots southeasterlies with that surge tomorrow. Same again on Wednesday, easing back to 15 to 20 knots on Thursday. Tomorrow's tides, we've got a fairly big peak in the morning with a decent run out to the afternoon low tide. The swing will widen each day as Friday's new moon approaches. The Capricornia district forecast, we did have that severe thunderstorm morning this afternoon, and showers and storms will continue tomorrow, mainly in the north. 30 degrees at top 4 Gladstone, Rocky also 30, Billawheeler 34 and Yeppoon 28. Central Highlands and Colville's showers mainly in the north with afternoon thunderstorms again. 34 degrees at top 4 Emerald, Claremont 32 and Moranbah 31. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, Wednesday onwards should see a return to mostly clear weather and also a little cooler before temperatures rise again for the weekend. Ignore what I said last week, it won't feel like autumn. And that's all the weather for this evening, my friends. Thank you for your company and thanks for your loyal patronage to 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with the next page in the Book of Weather. Hope you have a peaceful sleep. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Lovely having your company. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can catch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app if you missed anything. From all of us, good night.
Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, together